In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix a Google Authenticator not working. So let's just get straight into the video. Well, there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being your time not in sync, because sometimes this does occur. So all you need to do is head into settings, head into general, and then look for date and time in here, and then make sure it is turned on to set automatically and have the correct time. If that is not the case, what you can go ahead and try to do is simply go ahead and open your authenticator, try to re-log in again by logging out. If that is also not going to fix your problem, then simply go ahead and check if there is any updates on your app store. So simply go ahead and search for Google Authenticator just like that and make sure you update it if there is an update. When you go ahead and do that and it still doesn't work, then the best way to do it is going to be by uninstalling and reinstalling the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you. See you on the next.